Hello everyone, today we are going to make baked pasta with cheese and a melon slush. My name is Maika Salotra. Here are the ingredients for the pasta. I have here milk around 2 cups, oregano, some boiled pasta, butter, some chopped garlic. Then I have around 1.5 tablespoon of refined flour, then cheese, salt as per your liking, mushrooms, bell peppers, onions, corn. I have some seekh kebab also, but that is optional. Now let's start by making the sauce. So here you can see I have added around 2 cups of milk to the pan and added 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to it and brought it to a little bit of boil so that it will thicken a bit. Now after that I have added 3-4 chopped garlic to it, 3-4 cloves of chopped garlic to the mixture. After this I am going to add around 2 tablespoons of butter to it. So now the butter is mixed with the batter. I am going to add little bit of salt. Salt is according to your taste. You can add more or less according to your choice. A little bit of oregano. This is again according to your choice, more or less. And around half a cup of cheese to it. I'm going to add half a cup of cheese to the mixture and give it a good stir so that the sauce thickens up. You can see the sauce has come to a boil and has thickened. So now we will take it out in another pan and let it cool for some time. Now you all can see I have added some butter to the pan and I'm going to saute the vegetables a bit so that we get a nice buttery taste to it. All the vegetables I have added together. You can see I have multiple bell peppers here, the yellow one, red one, capsicum, corns, mushroom. You can add any vegetable which you like. Which goes, if you have baby corn, that can also be added. It goes really well with the pasta. So I am just going to saute it a bit and add a little bit of salt and oregano to it. Oregano and salt you can add according to your own taste. I'm just sauteing it a bit. Now you can see all our ingredients are ready. We have the boiled pasta, we have the sauce, we have the sauteed veggies, cheese and oregano. Also I have a greased pan which you can see is here. And now we are going to layer one by one. First of all we are going to put a layer of sauce in the pan. And just spread it evenly. Then I'm going to add some pasta to it. After this, a layer of veggies on the top. You can add a little bit more of it. Then sprinkling some cheese and oregano. Again we are going to repeat the same process by adding the sauce, pasta, cheese and veggies. Now you can see I have added another layer to it. One layer of sauce, pasta, veggies, cheese and oregano and have spread it evenly. Now I am going to add a third layer to the same. So now you can see I have added the third layer to it and my baked pasta with cheese is ready to go into the oven to get baked. So let's put it in the oven. Now I have put the pasta in the oven and we are going to bake it for around 10 minutes at 180 degree. And after that we'll take it out and show you the result. Meanwhile we are going to prepare a melon slush for everybody. Melon slush is a very quick recipe. All you need is some frozen melons, which I have over here, a cup of them. And now I am going to put these melons in the mixer jar. some Ruafza syrup to it. You can also add any other syrup, any rose flavored syrup or orange flavored syrup of your choice, and a few cubes of ice to it. Now we are going to give it a good churn and our melon slush would be ready. Now our melon slush is ready and I am just pouring it into a glass. In the meanwhile, our pasta is getting ready. I'll just show it to you in a moment. So now you can see our baked pasta with cheese is ready. The cheese is melted and it looks yummy-licious. Now I'm going to serve it in a plate so that you can see all the layers, the mushy layers coming out. It's very colorful and yummy to eat. You can add oregano or chili flakes as per your choice. So now, dear friends, enjoy the pasta with the melon slush.